Vintage. Smitten and infinitely in love with the classics, vintage style decorates your living space with the past. Vintage-themed pieces offer a lot of history and preserved beauty. It's all in the details. The solid iron construction of this birdcage is complemented by its distressed cream finish and is furnished with latch and lock mechanism. Made for you. We design with you in mind and give you the freedom to showcase your creativity through our vast selection of home decor. Expertly crafted with quality material for a long-lasting structure and exceptional durability. Top reviews from the United States. Great decorations. Great price for 2 bird cages. I am using them for my wedding. The larger one will be for cards, gifts, while the smaller one will be for my advice, wishes cards. I plan to spray paint both white since the color is more of a rustic ivory, and wrap some ribbon and bow around it. The only downside is the slots at the top are not long enough to slide my cards through. I will have to slightly prop open the lid so cards could be dropped in horizontally. I kind of expected this based on previous reviews and dimensions, so I am not too bummed. Otherwise, they're super cute.